Blogging was one of the first digital side hustles I ever tried, and it taught me more about online business than anything else I've done. Back then, everything took forever. Brainstorming, outlining, editing, it was a grind. AI changes that entire workflow and makes blogging accessible to people who never thought they could write consistently. In this video, I want to show you how AI can help you build a real sustainable blog without burning out. This isn't about shortcuts or spammy content. It's about using AI as a creative partner. If you've ever wanted to start a blog but felt overwhelmed, this is your moment. Let's walk through the process step by step. People love to say blogging is dead, but the truth is that it has simply evolved. Search engines still rely on high quality content to answer real questions. Readers still turn to blogs when they want depth, clarity, and trustworthy information. What's changed is the competition, and AI gives you the ability to keep up. Blogging works because it builds trust, authority, and long term visibility. A single post can bring traffic for years if you choose the right topic and optimize it well. AI helps you stay consistent, which is the real reason or the real secret to success. AI isn't here to replace your voice, it's here to support it. Think of it like having a brainstorming partner who never gets tired. You still bring the experience, the stories, and the personalities. AI just helps you shape it. It can outline posts, generate ideas, and help you refine your message. But the heart of the blog still comes from you. Readers connect with authenticity, not automation. AI simply helps you get your ideas out in the world more consistently. Your niche doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be something you care about. I've learned that the best niches are the ones you can talk about even on your tired days. AI can help you generate niche ideas, but it can't give you passion. Choose a topic where you have experience, curiosity, or a desire to help others. Your niche should be specific enough to stand out on its own, but broad enough to grow. And remember, you can refine it over time. Your first niche is just your starting point, not your final destination. Keyword research used to feel like decoding a secret language. Now, AI tools can help you identify what people want to read. You can ask AI to generate keyword lists, search intent, and content gaps. This helps you write posts that have a real chance of ranking. You don't need to be an SEO expert, just consistent and intentional. Focus on long tail keywords with clear questions behind them. If someone is searching for it, you can write for it. A good outline is the backbone of a great blog post. AI can help you create a structure that flows naturally and keeps readers engaged. You can generate multiple outline options and choose the best one that fits your voice. This saves time and helps you avoid staring at a blank page. Once you have the outline, writing becomes much easier. You're simply filling in the details with your own experience and insights. It's like having a roadmap for every project. AI can generate a solid first draft in minutes, but that's just the beginning. Your job is to shape it into something that sounds like you. Add your stories, your examples, your perspective. Readers want to hear from a real person, not a machine. Think of your AI as your co-writer, not your replacement. You bring the humanity. AI brings the speed. Together, you can create something powerful. Editing is where your personality really shines through. AI can help you tighten sentences, fix grammar, and improve clarity. But only you can add the warmth, humor, or honesty that makes your writing unique. Take the time to read your post aloud. It helps you more than you think. Make sure the tone matches your brand and your audience. A polished post builds trust and keeps readers coming back. This is where your blog truly becomes yours. Images make blogs more engaging and easier to read. You don't need fancy equipment, just high quality, free images from legal sources. Sites like Unsplash and Pexels offer beautiful photos you can use without attribution. Choose images that support your message, not distract from it. Visuals help break up long text and keep readers scrolling. They also make your posts more manageable or more shareable on social media. A good image can elevate your entire article. Formatting is one of the most overlooked parts of blogging. Short paragraphs, clear headings, and clean spacing make a huge difference. AI can help you rewrite sections for clarity or break up long blocks of text. Your goal is to make the post effortless to read. Add internal links to keep readers on your site longer. Add external links to build credibility. A well formatted post feels professional and trustworthy. Publishing is only half the job. Promotion is the other half. Sharing your posts on social media, in communities, and with your email list will help your blog be noticed widely. AI can help you write captions, summaries, and promotional blurbs. Don't be shy about sharing your work. You're helping people. The more consistent you are, the faster your audience grows. Promotion isn't bragging, it's service. Your blog deserves to be seen. The best time to start your blog was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Don't wait for the perfect idea or the perfect moment. Pick a topic, generate an outline, and write your first draft with AI. You'll be amazed at how quickly momentum builds once you begin. Your blog can become a long-term asset that grows with you. This is your chance to build something meaningful and scalable. Let's take that first step together. Thanks so much for watching today's episode. If this helped you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next tutorial. Give the video a like. It really helps more creators discover this content. And share it with anyone who's ready to build smarter income streams with AI. And if you want to go deeper, check out my book, AI Side Hustles. It's packed with step-by-step strategies and real examples to help you launch your first AI-powered project. You'll find the link right below this video. Thanks again for being here. Let's keep building your future, one smart hustle at a time.